First story, President Akufo-Addo has extended the restrictions on movement in Accra and Kumasi by one more week from Monday, April 13, 2020, delivering his 6th address on the progress of the national campaign to defeat the coronavirus pandemic in Ghana. The president said on Thursday that although the efforts have been successful, the country was not yet out of the woods. 2 weeks ago, a 14-day restriction on movement in parts of Greater Accra region and Kumasi in the Ashanti region was implemented to control the spread of the coronavirus. The lockdown has been implemented in parts of the country where significant numbers of virus infections have been recorded.
It is important that we stay the course and bear with the difficulties that come with it. The final result, hopefully, will be freedom from the virus. So the decision has been taken, through the issuance of another executive instrument, to extend the restriction on movements in the Greater Accra metropolitan area and Kaswa, and the Greater Kumasi metropolitan area and its contiguous districts by one more week, beginning 1 a.m. on Monday, the 13th of April, subject to review.
Now, the president also announced 3 months of free electricity for consumers of a particular category, now to make up for the lost income following the lockdown in Accra and Kumasi. President Akufo-Addo says the decision is part of additional measures being taken by government to mitigate the impact of the outbreak of the virus, which is having a toll on the public.
Government will fully absorb electricity bills for the poorest of the poor, i.e., for all lifeline consumers. That is free electricity for persons who consume 0 to 50 kilowatt hours a month for this period. In addition, for all other consumers, residential and commercial, government will absorb 50% of your electricity bill for this period, using your March 2020 bill as your benchmark. For example, if your electricity bill was 100 cedis, you will pay only 50 cedis, with government absorbing the remaining 50 cedis. This is being done to support industry, enterprises, and the service sector in these difficult times, and to provide some relief to households for lost income. Nevertheless, I urge all Ghanaians to exercise discipline in their use of water and electricity. The food items being distributed in Accra and Kumasi to the vulnerable and needy are being done through NADMO and the Metropolitan, Municipal and District Chief Executives, with the assistance of the faith-based organizations, to whom I'm rendering a special word of gratitude. I appeal to you, let us in the meantime continue to comply with the measures. Let us maintain good hygiene and respect the social distancing protocols, even when you're going out to receive the food. But above all, please stay at home. 105 of the confirmed cases came from those who were mandatorily quarantined and tested on their arrival in our country on 21st and 22nd March. 192 of the cases came from travelers who entered the country before the closure and their contacts. 79% of the 378 confirmed cases are thus imported. We now have in total 378 confirmed cases of infections, with 6 deaths, 4 recoveries, 2 in critical condition, and the remaining 370 are mild cases who are in isolation and either being managed at home or at treatment centers. Fellow Ghanaians, I've come to ask for your continued patience as we continue to implement and extend the efforts that have so far proven to be helpful.